Guided meditation on the third eye. Welcome. This is a journey inward, into the still point between your eyebrows, the place that ancient mystics called the third eye. A doorway into seeing beyond thoughts, into feeling the life force that breath carries, into awakening the luminous center at the crown of your head. Before we begin, find a comfortable position. You may sit cross-legged on the floor, on a meditation cushion, or in a chair with your feet flat on the ground. Keep your spine upright but not tense. Imagine a string gently pulling the crown of your head toward the sky. Let your hands rest naturally, palms facing upward on your thighs, or one hand resting lightly on the other in your lap. If it feels comfortable, close your eyes now. Take a slow, deep breath in through the nose, and let it go gently through the mouth. Do this again. Inhale deeply, and exhale softly. One more time. Inhale. Exhale. And now, let your breath return to its natural rhythm. Bring your awareness to your face. Feel your forehead, the gentle space between your eyebrows. Without moving your head, imagine that both of your closed eyes are looking upward, meeting at an invisible point between the eyebrows. Not straining, just allowing the gaze to soften upward, inward, toward that center. Notice how this point has a subtle pull, almost magnetic. Let yourself be drawn to it. It is a place that responds to attention, a silent watcher's perch in the middle of the mind. Pause here. If thoughts arise, and they will, don't try to push them away. Instead, imagine that you are sitting at a window, and your thoughts are clouds drifting across the sky. You simply watch them come and go. They don't touch you. They don't define you. This is the first gift of the third eye. The ability to witness without being pulled into the story. Let's explore this a little deeper. Keep your gentle inward gaze on the point between your eyebrows. Notice how, when you hold your attention here, thoughts seem to move in front of you rather than through you. A memory might appear, perhaps a face, maybe a worry about tomorrow. But you are not inside these thoughts now. You are watching them from a little distance. When an emotion arises, maybe irritation, sadness, or joy, see it as a cloud passing through your inner sky. It might be dark and heavy, or light and golden, but either way, it passes. You remain still, silent, untouched. In this witnessing, you are not denying life. You are simply no longer tangled in it. Now, keeping your awareness at the third eye, bring gentle attention to your breath. Feel the coolness of the inhale entering through your nostrils. Feel the warmth of the exhale leaving. And now, notice something subtler. You are not just breathing air. With each breath in, you are drawing in a soft, living energy. This is prana, life force. The air is only the vessel. The prana is the treasure it carries. Imagine that this prana is a fine golden mist, invisible yet vibrant. With each inhale, it enters you. With each exhale, it settles deeper into your being. Breathe like this for a few moments. Inhaling golden vitality. exhaling any heaviness or tiredness. Now that you feel the breath's essence, let's awaken the crown of the head, the Sahasrara. Keeping your gaze on the third eye, imagine that each inhale carries prana up to the very top of your head. With each breath in, the crown begins to fill, as if a soft, warm liquid light is pooling there. You don't need to force it. Just imagine, and notice how easily imagination responds here, in this space between the eyebrows. Breathe prana upward, filling the crown. Inhale, rising, light gathering at the top. Exhale, letting it settle and glow. When your crown feels full, when the light is gathered and bright, imagine that it begins to overflow. The top of your head opens like a blossoming lotus, and from it, a shower of light begins to fall. It flows down over your forehead, over your face, over your throat, down your shoulders, arms, and hands, down your chest, your back, your belly, through your hips, legs, and feet. Every part of you is bathed in this luminous rain. It cleanses you of heaviness. It refreshes you like the first sunlight after rain. Sit in this shower for a few breaths, letting it soak into every cell. Now, as you sit under this inner light, notice how your body feels. Is there warmth? A tingling in the forehead or crown? Perhaps a sense of expansion, as if your boundaries have softened and you are more space than form. Let go into this. Let the light wash through any area of tension, your jaw, your shoulders, your heart. With every breath, the light renews you. You may even notice moments when there is no thought at all, just awareness and radiance. This is the space beyond the mind. It doesn't need words. The ancients taught that when the third eye awakens, imagination gains power. What you think here can take shape, so it is important to hold pure, kind, and uplifting thoughts. Right now, in this space of clarity, allow a single intention to rise. Not a wish from restlessness or lack, but an intention that feels aligned, peaceful, and generous. It could be, may I live with clarity. May I serve with love. May I see truth. Whatever arises, hold it gently in your mind's eye. Let it sit at the third eye like a seed in fertile soil. Slowly, begin to bring your awareness back to the breath. Inhale, exhale. Feel the gentle rise and fall of your chest. Still keeping the soft afterglow of the light, begin to notice your body where it sits. The ground beneath you, the space around you. Wiggle your fingers and toes, keeping your breath slow. When you are ready, take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, gently open your eyes. Carrying with you the quiet witnessing, the golden breath, and the crown's soft light. What you touched in this meditation is always available. At any moment, even in the middle of daily life, you can bring your gaze to that silent point between the eyebrows, feel the breath's essence, and let the crown open to light. With practice, the third eye becomes not just a point in meditation, but a living awareness in every moment. You move through life as the witness. Steady, clear, quietly luminous.